If Microsoft Edge is suddenly giving you an unexpected error, freezing, not opening properly, or acting like something is broken, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix you can try right now. This is a quick troubleshooting guide that can help clear up temporary glitches, stop stuck processes, and remove corrupted browser data that may be causing the problem. And if this video helps you out, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, press Ctrl, Shift, and Ask on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Task Manager is where you can see all the apps and background processes currently running on your computer. Once it opens, look through the list and find Microsoft Edge. If Edge is stuck, frozen, or has crashed in the background, it may still be running even if the window is closed. Right-click Microsoft Edge and choose End Task. This force closes the browser and clears out any temporary stuck process that could be causing the unexpected error. After that, the next thing to do is go to Control Panel. Depending on your system, you may need to search for it in the Start menu. Once you're in Control Panel, locate Microsoft Edge and right-click it. If you see a Change or Repair option related to Edge, use it to refresh the browser installation settings. This can help fix files or configuration issues that may be triggering the error. Now let's clear the browser data, because damaged cookies and cache are one of the most common reasons Edge starts acting up. Open Microsoft Edge again if it will launch, then press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu instantly. Make sure you select cookies and cached files, because those are the two main things we want to remove here. You can also choose a suitable time range, and if you want the cleanest reset for troubleshooting, select All Time. Then click Clear Now. Once the cache and cookies are removed, restart Microsoft Edge and check if the unexpected error is gone. In many cases, this simple reset is enough to get the browser working normally again. If the issue was caused by a stuck process, a corrupted temporary file, or bad cached data, these steps can fix it fast. If Edge still gives you trouble after this, you may need to repeat the process or look at additional browser repair options. But for most users, this solves the problem quickly. So to recap, first end Microsoft Edge in Task Manager, then check the Edge Repair or Change option in Control Panel, and finally clear your cookies and cache using Control, Shift, and Delete. If this helped, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you want more simple Windows troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.